In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Monoprep won and decided to go first. This section runs for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Monoprep and Bible knowledge. Zipporah was the wife of which Bible patriarch?
Moses.
Correct. St. Richard's. Gomer was the wife of which minor prophet in the Bible?
Hosea.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual. Mona, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Netherlands.
That's right. St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Portugal.
Correct. Science, Mona. Wood is used in the formation of which type of fossil fuel?
Coal.
Correct. St. Richard's. What type of rock is the fossil fuel coal?
Sedimentary.
That's right. Television, it's a visual. Mona, look at the monitor and identify this legendary Jamaican actress and comedian.
Louise Bennett Coverley.
That's correct. St. Richard's, look at the monitor and identify this legendary Jamaican actor and comedian.
Slide Dunbar.
Incorrect, it's Charles Hyatt. English language, Mona. Does the word dither mean to be decisive or indecisive?
Indecisive.
Correct. St. Richard's. Does the word miffed mean to be pleased or to be annoyed?
To be pleased.
Incorrect, it's to be annoyed. Music, it's a visual. Mona, look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican singer.
Ziggy Marley.
Incorrect, it's Luciano. Over to you, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican artiste.
Shabba Ranks.
Correct. General knowledge, Mona. In what country is the Great Pyramid of Giza found?
Egypt.
That's right. St. Richard's. Mount Elbrus is the highest mountain on which continent?
North America.
Europe.
Correct. Social studies, Mona. In which Jamaican parish is the Hamden Estate?
Trelawney.
That's correct. St. Richard's. In which Jamaican parish is the Appleton Estate?
Saint Elizabeth.
That's right. Sports, Mona. What was the score in Jamaica's Women's World Cup football match against Panama in July 2023?
Jamaica won 1-0. Jamaica won 1-0.
Judges? That's correct. St. Richard's. Who scored the winning goal for Jamaica in their Women's World Cup football match against Panama in July 2023?
Ashley Swaby.
That's correct. Mathematics, Mona. Is 31 a prime or composite number?
Prime number.
That's right. St. Richard's. True or false? A prime number is divisible by only 3 numbers, 1, 2, and itself.
False.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Richard's Primary on 8 and Mona Prep on 9. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. School can get pretty hectic sometimes. Manage your stress levels by performing deep breathing exercises, listening to music, exercising, reading a book, keeping a gratitude journal, and spending time with friends. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.